The RBA will spend the next 12 months investigating the economic benefits of a central bank digital currency in Australia. Joining me now is business reporter Edward Boyd. Ed, the project will involve the development of a pilot currency that will operate in what they're calling a ring-fenced environment.
Yeah, basically, they're going to create a pilot digital Australian dollar and then operate it for roughly the next 12 months as part of a research project to really understand what this digital dollar can be used for and how it differs from just regular cash that you might have in your bank account. So the RBA is going to work with a research organisation that's funded by the industry to try and figure this out. They're asking members of the sort of retail, the banking, whatever industry wants to get involved to understand how the digital dollar works. They can put forward use cases for what you might actually be able to use a digital dollar for to help businesses and everyday Australians. So this is a project that the RBA really has been working on for the last couple of years. They've already established that they can use blockchain as a record of every transaction used on the digital dollar, so they've established that. Now they're actually trying to establish what it can actually be used for. So they're going to spend the next 12 months doing that. There'll be a little update report coming out in a few months' time, and then another bigger report at the end of the project in about a year.
Well, hopefully it does a little bit better than we're seeing Bitcoin do at the moment, Ed. Let's talk about earnings season. It picks up today with coal miner Coronado's profit soaring more than 680%. That sounds pretty good.
Pretty good for them.
Coronado's.
So we know the coal price has just been skyrocketing over the last year, and Coronado, they've got some mines in the United States, in Virginia, but they've also got a really big coal mine in Queensland, and they sell PCI coal, which is a specific type of coal used for electricity generation, and it's been more than $400-500 a tonne at some points this year. So they've really profited from that. So they're one of the big companies that's reported today. We've got a little chart we can put up on the screen for you, just breaking down the results. You can see revenue up almost 150%, profit up 685% to about $560 million US dollars. The coal price, that's how much they sold their coal for, almost $300 a tonne, and it only cost them about $135 a tonne to produce and sell that coal. So they're making a big profit on all their coal. The dividend's about 7.5 US cents a share. We've just seen a research report from one of the banks saying they feel like they've underpaid the dividend a bit. They probably could have paid a little bit more.
Wow.
But I'll be chatting to the chief executive of Coronado a bit later today on the Business Now program.
Coronado, won't forget that name. Those profits are looking pretty good. Ed, thanks so much.